So welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadeva classes. Today we are going to take your next lesson. And the name of the lesson is a wall magazine for your class. A wall magazine for your class. Good evening everyone. Gayatri, good evening. Sagana, good evening guys. Chalo start करेंगे. So here, what can you see? There is a magazine, and the magazine is a wall magazine. Student of Standard 6A bubbled with enthusiasm all the time, be it sports, hobbies, or studies. This year, they surprised the rest of the school by bringing out a wall magazine. The idea became so popular that soon there were unique wall magazines in almost every class in the school. This is what class 6A did to plan and prepare their wall magazine. So what they prepared wall magazines, right? So let's see what they did. First, what happened? The students and class teachers of 6A brought several children's magazines and pages of children's sections in periodical and newspapers to the classroom. तर सर्वांचे मॅगझिन्स त्यांनी घेऊन आले. ज्या ज्या मुलांकडे मॅगझिन होते ते सर्व त्या मॅगझिन त्या मुलांकडून ते घेऊन आले वर्गामध्ये. ते ब्रॉट टू द क्लास रूम. They studied the content to see what all was included in the magazine. तो magazine में क्या क्या होता है? You know very well that in the magazine, sorry, in the magazine there was a tremendous variety: stories, poem, puzzles, riddles, craft ideas, informative articles, interesting tidbits of information, jokes, board games, book reviews, quizzes, study tips, health tips, and even recipes. So there were also columns about students' achievements, doubts, and problems. These columns were run with the help of teachers or parents. After studying all the material to a discussion was held in the class to choose the section of for their own or their own magazine. It was decided that क्या decide किया था, right? There would be at least four issues of the magazine. There would be a separate team for each issue. The team would have an editor, one or two sub editors. A team should have editor or one or two sub editors, and then illustrators. So illustrator means an artist. Writers, those who actually copied or typed the issues in beautiful letters. Anyone in the class could send contributions to the issue. The editors could select the articles to be included, and the decision would be final. Thus there would be four different teams to work on four issues. The column regular features in all issues were planned with the help of class teacher. Apart from editorial teams, more groups were made to run columns like craft ideas, recipes, I need help, science corner, etc. It was the job of these groups to collect material for their respective columns. And with the teacher's help, a prominent place was fixed to display the magazines in the classroom. Right, guys? So let's see how many different types. So long discussion was held to choose the good name of the magazine. So what was the name of the magazine? Let's see here what they did. So are you tempted to do something similar to this idea in your classroom? Do you want to do something similar to this in your classroom? अगर है तो आप इसको copy कर सकते हैं, right? चलो. Now we'll start from this. So let's start from the jokes. They made a magazine of jokes. Let's see. Can you laugh or can you smile, please? So there are jokes. So एक wall उन्होंने बनाया and the wall is full of jokes. So teacher said, Wally, why are you late? So Wally said the train had a flat tire. टीचर विचारलं का ग तू उशीर का झाला तुला? ती म्हणते काय सांगू टीचर, ट्रेनचा टायर पंक्चर झाला होता. सो ट्रेनचा टायर पंक्चर होतो का? नाही होत. Then what are the three words the most often used by students? The teacher asked in the class. I don't know. Yes, that is the correct answer. मुलं बऱ्याच वेळा म्हणतात तुम्हाला काही विचारा, तुम्ही काय म्हणतात मला माहित नाही. I don't know. The next क्या बोला देखो त्याने, why did the teacher wear sunglasses? Teacher sunglasses का वापरतात? Why do you use sunglasses? Because his students were so bright. मुलं एकदम ब्राईट असतात की टीचरला त्यांचं ब्राईटनेस दिसतच नाही किंवा दिसू शकत नाही. मुलं टीचरला दोन त्रास होतो. Therefore she uses sunglasses. Then teacher said, I wish you would pay a little attention. Student said, yes, teacher, I am paying. as little as attention as possible. मी कमीत कमीच लक्ष देतो टीचर, जास्त लक्ष देत नाही. Dad is saying, how did you find your exam? How was your exam? Son said, unfortunately, it wasn't lost. बरोबर? Unfortunately, it wasn't lost, right? Unfortunately, it wasn't lost. कोण म्हणतो? मुलगा म्हणतो, नाही पापा मला भेटली एक्झाम. Then next joke काय बघा. Teacher said, your daughter is only 5. Your daughter is only 5 and she can spell her name backwards. What is her name? What's remarkable? Okay, mother said, yes, we are very proud of her. Teacher said, what is her name? What is your daughter's name? काय झालं जुदान? What is your daughter's name? She says her name is Anna. Her name is Anna. A-N-N-A. इसको रिवर्स से ही पढ़ो यही हो जाएगा. A-N-N-A. Anna. Getting guys? Chalo. Then there you have a fun with words. Fun with words. So what is the fun with words? Let's see here. What is given to you? ये सब बच्चों ने बनाया हुआ है. Fun with words. Which bird can lift the heaviest weight? So example is crane. कोण heaviest weight उचलू शकतो? That is the crane. What can you serve but never eat? A tennis ball. You can serve but never eat. What jam can't you eat? You cannot eat a traffic jam. Traffic jam खाऊ शकतो का आपण? नाही. And what is the difference between hungry person? What is the difference between a hungry person and
सर
a person with greedy? Sorry, and a greedy person. बोला काय झालं? One
सर हे समजलं नाही.
कोणतं? फर्स्ट वन.
सर हे ऍरो केले ते.
हे का? सांगतो 2 मिनिटं. येस, आय विल टेल यू. तर ते विचारलं की एक भुकेलेला माणूस आणि हावरा माणूस फरक काय असतो? तो पहिला माणूस जेवायसाठी जे खातो आणि दुसरा खाण्यासाठी जगतो. बरोबर? एक जगण्यासाठी खातो आणि दुसरा खाण्यासाठी जगतो. अँड व्हिच बर्ड यू कॅन विथ द लेव्ही बघा. वेट कोण उचलतं रे? क्रेन उचलतं. वेट कोण उचलतं? क्रेन उचलतं. आणि द क्रेन इज ऑल्सो नेम ऑफ अ बर्ड. क्रेन इज ऑल्सो नेम ऑफ द बर्ड. गेटिंग? समजलं का जीवदान? Crane is also name of
येस
the
सर समजलं.
bird. Yeah. Let's go ahead. I hope yes. So you people like many different cricket teams and like chalo. So then Science Corner. One magazine, one wall magazine is of Science Corner. What is given? Say, what do water tin sheet become hot? Sorry, why do water tin sheet become hot in the sun, but not a tree? Right? Sun, देखो. A very easy. The important question is that देखो यहाँ पे what is question here? Whose network is going? Jivdan. Yes, Jivdan का network जातो. No problem. So next question, science corner here, science corner. So what is question? देखो, this is the hot sun. In this hot sun, आपलं घर गरम होतं, पाणी गरम होतं, पत्रे गरम होतात. But झाड गरम होतं का रे? नाही. झाडाला तुम्ही टच केलं का? It is not hot. Why it happens? Because water and tin shades are non-living things. They are non-living things. When they receive heat, they get heated according to their properties and may even change the state in which they are. So water turns into vapor and even thin sheets melt at very high temperatures. They do not make any attempt to cool themselves. स्वतः ते cool करतात तर स्वतःला नाही. But you know that bodies of living things carry out different processes that help them to survive or to adapt to the surroundings. Plant carry out a process known as transpiration. क्या होता है process? The process known as transpiration. In this process, water is absorbed by roots and is sent up through the stems up to the leaves. On the underside of leaves, there are pores or holes called as stomata. Plants use up some of the water they absorb and the rest is given out through stomata. This process helps plants to cool themselves. Even humans also have a similar process to cool themselves. Can you name the process? Yes. कोणती process आहे? We have a sweating. The name of the process is sweating. Also, you know that big trees have trunks. The trunks consist of wood. Wood is not a good conductor of heat. You may relate this information with what is given to your science textbook. Responsiveness to stimuli, heat, state of matter. तुम्हाला है ना लेसन नंबर 1 और 2 में हमने देखा ये लेसन नंबर 1 और 2 में आपको ये है सब. Now some questions for the next issue. Why do sun and moon change their size? Sorry. Why do sun and moon change their size? How can we see many channels on the same TV? And why do we use image when we have? Why do we see? Why do we see one image when we have two eyes? Okay. So there are some next questions for your next issue or next month, mein. Then I'm confused. Please help me. So she's confused. My best friend is, so her best friend is ignoring me this year. Sorry. Yes. Deepak. Okay guys, चलो. So next, so what is she asking? कि माझी friend आहे, she is ignoring me. My friend is ignoring me. I feel angry. मला खूप राग येतो त्या माझ्या मैत्रिणीचा. I feel angry and unhappy about it. मला आनंद होत नाहीये, मला दुःख वाटतंय. But I still think of her as my best friend. पण मला ती माझी बेस्ट फ्रेंड असल्यामुळे मी तिचा विचार करते. Why is she doing so to this me? ती माझ्या बरोबर असं का वागत आहे? आय एम कन्फ्यूज. मी कन्फ्यूज झालेली आहे, मी गोंधळलेली आहे. प्लीज हेल्प. मला मदत करा. मला काय करा? प्लीज हेल्प मी. सो एक्सपर्ट ऍडवाइस फ्रॉम सिनियर फ्रेंड्स. या दुसऱ्या मित्रांनी तिला मदत केली बघा. कसे सिनियर म्हणजे तुझ्यापेक्षा मोठे. हम्म. Don't we all feel this sometime or other? Don't worry. Let's say what we can do. First, you can do, please think about it without getting upset. Is she really ignoring you? What are the things that you used to do together but don't do anymore? For example, sitting on the same bench, having your tiffin together, coming to school or going back home together, and so on. If you still do most of these things together, you may be you may be wrong in thinking that she is ignoring you. You can talk to her about it. Find out if you have hurt in her some way. If there is a misunderstanding and that
हाँ
is why
करतो
she is ignoring you. Bola, what happened, guys?
करतो सर.
Yeah. So you she
हम्म.
as she was before, if that is so, you can simply say sorry and she will immediately be your friends again, be friends with you again. So has she made new friends? Is that what is making you feel little jealous and sad? Well, you can always be friends with her new friends. Your friend may appreciate it. If your last year's best friend has really started ignoring you without any reason, do not keep brooding about it. You can make friends with others. Maybe after a few days your old friend will be close to you once again, right guys? So there is just advice expert advice is given to her. Then you have some rhyme and rhythm. Let's see. So there, let's see. 2 minutes थांबा. Let's see what we have here. Yes. Chalo. So last thing is that the little rose tree, rhyme and rhythm. Now there is a poem आपने लिखा है, ये wall पे पूरा इन्होंने लिखा है. Every rose on the little tree is making a different face at me. Some look surprised with I pass by and other droops, but they are shy. These two whose heads together press tell secrets I could never guess. Some have their heads thrown back to sing, and all the birds are listening. I wonder if the gardener knows, or if he calls it just a rose. Who said it is a racial filth? Has written this poem. Then few more things are there. Lyrics. A flying horse. A flying horse is there. So did you ever see a horse fly? A horse fly? A horse fly? Did you ever see a horse fly? A horse fly? Fly fly fly. Did you ever see a pen stand? A pen stand? A pen stand? Did you ever see a pen stand? A pen stand? Stand. दीपक त्याच्या कानाखाली नाही वाजवायचं रे. मित्र आपला मित्र आहे, त्याला असं मारायचं नसतं. Okay. House fly and one more thing is given to you here. You can see here, guys. Yeah. So you can use these funny phrases in the place of housefly, right? Shoelace, hairpin, toothpick, eye drops, like that. And what is going to you? One bright day. What happened one bright day? A hand clapping rhyme. So one bright day, in the middle of the night, two dead soldiers got up to fight. Back to back, they faced each other, drew their swords, and shot each other. A deaf policeman heard the noise and ran to save the two boys. Sorry, so two dead boys. If you don't believe this lie is true, ask the blind man. He saw it true, right? काय सांगितलं बघा. एका दिवशी काय झालं तर मेलेले दोन सोल्जर होते ना ते जागे झाले आणि एकमेकांशी भांडणं करायला लागले, मारामारी करायला लागले. तेवढ्यात त्यांनी काय केलं, त्यांच्या तलवारी काढल्या आणि त्यांनी एकमेकांना पुन्हा मारून टाकलं. आता हे कोणी ऐकलं बरं, हे डीप पोलिसमॅन बरोबर, बहिऱ्या पोलिसाने ते ऐकलं. आणि हा जो आवाज होता, गोंधळ होता, कोणी ऐकला, बहिऱ्या पोलिसाने तो ऐकला आणि तो त्या ठिकाणी धावत गेला आणि त्या ठिकाणी त्याने दोघांचे प्राण वाचवले. जर तुम्हाला हे खोटं वाटत असेल ना, तर आंधळ्या माणसाला विचारा, त्याने ते पाहिलेलं आहे. आंधळ्या माणसाला विचारा, त्याने ते पाहिलेलं आहे.